Welcome. If you've ever saved a post on Instagram and then struggled to find it later, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find your saved posts on the Instagram app for PC, especially after the latest update. Whether you want to revisit a helpful tip, a funny meme, or just your favorite photo, these steps will get you there in no time. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your PC. If you haven't already, log in with your account details. The interface might look a little different if you're used to the mobile app, but don't worry, everything you need is still there. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a person. This is your profile button. Clicking here will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Now, right under your profile information, where your bio and profile picture are displayed, you'll notice a few different sections. Look for the one labeled Saved. This is where Instagram keeps all the posts you've saved over time. Click on Saved to enter this section. Inside the Saved section, you'll see all the posts you've bookmarked, organized neatly for you. Scroll through the list to find the specific post you're looking for. You can click on any post to view it in full, just like you would on your feed.